Well, this headlight is clearly a lot more foggy than this headlight. No, this headlight was not cleaned. This one, for whatever reason, is just more oxidized. So today we're going to be using a Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. This kit is amazing, guys, and it will restore this headlight, and it will keep it restored. A lot of the comments always ask me, how long does this stay, or that's going to be back in a month. No, every car I've used this on, it's been permanent. My neighbors included, everyone I've used it for, it does not come back as long as I've had it, and it's been a few years now. So we're going to hit both, but we're going to see the drastic difference it makes with this oxidation here. You can see, you know, clear plastic over here where the sun's not hitting, and right there is where the sun's been hitting. I'm located in Las Vegas, you know, so this side probably just got parked towards the sun more often. So either way, we're gonna get this all cleaned up using the Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Cleaner. So I had some extra wipes from the last time I did this, but everything that comes in this box is you're gonna have enough for 2 headlights, right? So you got step 1, oxidation remover. You got the step 2, repair surface, and then you got the ceramic headlight coating after that. And they do give you some gloves to wear, so let's go ahead and jump into this. Alright, so step 1, we're just going to use the headlight restoration kit. And guys, this does so much just right here. Oxidation remover, right? Take that. Pew. I mean, you can already see it going clear right there. So watch. We'll do a clean one right across the top. No edits, no tricks. One clean swipe. See the oxidation? We'll do one more. And it says to do it in circular motions, guys. I'm just doing this to show you the effectiveness of these. Alright, so there's the wipe afterwards. Yum yum. Yeah, definitely getting more off. Alright, so a little decent amount of oxidation coming off still. So alright, 4 seems wasteful, so I'm just gonna go with 3 because I'm not really getting much more oxidation off that. My wipe is clean. It does say on the instructions to clean both of your headlights at once and then discard your gloves afterwards because you want them all cleaned up, you know. This one's not that bad. The instructions actually do say to rinse off the whole surface before we go on to step 2. So follow the instructions. And then it wants us to use water, so my daughter's Bluey cup is close by. And I want you to sand in a circular motion. Then you're going to take your blue disc. Gray disc, they say. That's where the second pair of gloves comes in handy. So I know what you're thinking, it's foggy, what the hell is a wipe gonna do? But this stuff is like magic right here, so it's gonna restore it like that. And it's gonna stay like that permanently. You guys see the difference? And we'll allow 60 minutes for this to dry. I saw how bad this headlight was before. Pretty gross, so there it goes. We'll do the other one next. So don't touch the face for 60 minutes, let it dry. Start the next one, see? Got a little bit of fogginess here. It's just a dry towel, nothing special. Step 3. Do a horizontal comparison this time. I mean, it is a drastic difference.
Is this something you just wanted to do, or is this a product someone sent you?
I bought this. But I bought it a while ago for a different car. I don't remember which one I bought this for. But I've used this product several times before. And this is by far the best product I've ever found.
The link for this product is in the description. Thanks for watching.